Hello, what's up you guys? It's me Mandy and this is the Gloriously Notorious. Today we're gonna do another unboxing of anime mystery box, mystery packet. Yeah, it's that. For this one, I'm not gonna tell you guys the price just yet. I'm gonna keep it till the probably the end of this video to tell you guys the real price. I will include timelines for you guys to maybe want to skip or whatever, but I hope you guys would totally watch from the beginning till the end, because why not, right? So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right in. So alright, so this, I don't say I thought I would get a box, but no, I get a packet. It's actually One Piece themed mystery box, mystery packet. And yeah, it came in a bubble wrap like this. Let's just see what we have, because I believe we should have what I'll try to put the information right here, including the name of the shop. But I believe that we are supposed to get 18 items, which I can't remember what they are, but most probably would be stickers, postcards, bookmarks, and etc. But yeah, I'll try not to look much. Obviously it's transparent, as you guys can already see. So yeah, so let's start with the first item. What is this? I don't know. I got a postcard of, like, I don't know what. It's a game. I know it's a game, but I don't know what game it is. But yeah, it's a card. So it doesn't relate to One Piece, obviously. Now we get ourselves into the right things, which is this one. It's a packet, inside a packet, inside a plastic. The things are inside this bag. It's a bag. It's a bag, y'all. So it's an anime mystery bag. This is the bag. Probably 10 inch by 7 inch. So this is the bag. It's a small bag. Paper bag. I think here it states something about, I can't read Chinese, Mandarin or whatever it is, but I believe it is it states here there's 18 items for whatever inside this, and these are the items and the quantity that we shall receive. Back here, I'm not sure what it is, but I guess these are some of the items that we should receive. Some of the characters that I love the most in One Piece are our Marimo, Zoro. Where's Zoro? Yeah, Zoro. I love Ace. Yep, he's here. Ace, podcast the Ace, and Smoker, Captain Smoker. Also Captain Buggy. I think he's funny. He's like the entertainment peak. Those are some of the characters that I love. To be honest, as much as a fan of One Piece that I am, I watch up to, I guess, the Punk Hazard part, and then I just don't watch them anymore. But the fact that at that time, I guess many of One Piece fans stopped at the Punk Hazard episodes, because I don't know, there's something about not updating or whatever, and then we just stopped watching after that. But yeah, I am currently planning to start watching it again. I mean, resuming to watch, because I guess it's already like 900 plus episodes now. So I guess probably I'm gonna resume to watch this anime again. The first item is, yo, what is this? Oh, cool. So we got a Ace and Luffy Ace and Luffy. I believe this is supposed to be a stand whereby you need to cut this part and make it into triangle and stick the bottom part here, the feet, onto this part, and it become a stand, a mini stand, a paper. This is a very hard paper. This is almost like cardboard like paper, so I believe it could stand, but like you have to have something to, you know, probably a heavy thing to make it strong. Next we have, ooh, cool, ooh, a poster, y'all. A movie poster, which is from Stampede. I guess this is last year's, right? But it is a mini poster of One Piece Stampede movie, which is pretty cool. Very high quality, I must say. Super high quality. No bleedings, no blurred lines. This is genuinely a very high quality poster. So next we have this is so cute, but this is it's a coloring sheet that we can, you know, color up our characters. There's Nami, Sanji, Luffy, Zoro, Chopper, Frankie, Brooks, Usopp, Robin. So everyone's here and we can color them like a child we are. So next we have another poster, y'all, from Stampede again, but here we are, One Piece Stampede, another poster, also very high quality. Can see Sabo here, and the others, obviously my favorite, Captain Buggy, it's here. We have now two posters side by side. So you can see a very high quality. I'm sorry my lighting is not that good, but truly very high quality. So the next item is a postcard. A postcard. Sadly, Frankie and Robin being chopped. But yeah, we have Hungry Luffy right here. It's Hungry Luffy, and you can write stuff here. But yeah, it is a postcard. I believe this is the same as, yep, same picture but like different items. Was it Smoker? Oh my god, it is Captain Smoker. Oh my god, my baby, my Zeddy, literally Zeddy. But yeah, okay, next we have another postcard. It is Luffy. I believe this is a happy birthday postcard, but the funny thing is this Chopper and, oh, this is the bear. I can't remember the name, but this is the bear with Trafalgar. I can't remember the name, but this is Chopper, and also this is Luffy. So another card. Next is we have, I suppose this is timetable for, yeah, a timetable sheet for if you guys are like school students, you know, high schoolers or middle schoolers or whatever. You guys can definitely use this one. I believe this is Monday to Friday and whatever, and the time whatever. But this is a very cool postcard if it's not a timetable sheet. You guys can see this, like Luffy is like hogging all the lollipops, and like Usopp is very angry. But this is cute. So the next one is, this is so cool. We have I believe this is a card. Just a card. I don't know what it is, but it's a card of the guy, of them, and then Shanks and Luffy. It's a very cool card, by the way. Y'all can show off if you have this. Next we have, a one-piece bracelet, rubber bracelet. This is so cool. Oh my god. I got a blue one, obviously for water and marine. Can I still fit this? I used to wear this when I was like in like high school. Oh, obviously I can. So one piece. Next is, so we have stickers, like mini stickers, small, very mini stickers. As you can see, there's I guess most of the main characters, but this is cool though, like very small one. It is just like 1 inch each. Next we have, I don't know what this is for, but like, what is this? What's a sticker? Next is, oh, okay, we have several postcards. Like when I see several, it's like there's 5. So it's different from this one. This one is like this big, but this one is like smaller. But you can definitely put a stamp here and whatever your message is. And you know, the necessary boxes and lines are here, and you can also tear this small part out. So there's like 2 sections, and these are the designs. Second design. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, Big Mama, and then Sabu, and I guess what's the name again? I can't remember, but yeah, this guy. And Chopper. The Halloween 2000. This is supposed to be 2019. I don't know. So, but this is the last design. So yeah, there's 5 designs for these postcards. Next is we have this one, aka, oh, this is, I guess it's a bookmark. One side is Trafalgar and the other side is Luffy. So pretty cool, and obviously very high quality. All of these products are very high quality. Oh, we have another bookmark, which is Sanji on this side and my BB Zoro on this other side. So we have 2 bookmarks. Very cool. Next we have, what is this for? Oh, I guess this is a card kissing. I guess it is for the card earlier. Ooh, so is it like a tagging situation? Like you can put a string here. You can use this like a tagging for your bag or luggage or whatever. So yeah, it's cool. So there's also this thing. I don't know what it is. What is this? Is it for like your phone or something? Because there's like a stopper right here, and like, I guess it's a, or maybe it's like, no, probably it's for your phone rather than, oh, very unique, very probably I am bad with things, but yeah. Next we have, oh, this is like a lucky charm or whatever, amulet or something like that, but yeah, you can use it right here, you can wear it. So yeah, one. And lastly we have a safety pin of Bartholomew Kuma. Y'all, he's a villain, y'all. Why do I get a villain? Also very high quality. This is metal. Oh, it's a freaking metal. And it's actually true to whatever that they put here. I guess usable. Time to reveal the price. But it's actually, if I'm not mistaken, it's actually 25 ringgit only. At first I thought like all of this could cost us like even more, but all of this is only 25 ringgit Malaysia. So y'all. Also, there are so many other animes such as Demon Slayer, Jujutsu Kaisen. I don't know. I haven't watched it yet. Also, there's Attack on Titans, and there are plenty of animes that they came out with. So you guys can definitely go and check them out. It's on Shopee, which I'll again put the name of the shop right here and the links down below, so you guys can go and check it out. If you guys like it, go buy it because it's super cheap and you get so much, so good, so very high quality. If you guys like this video, please like this video. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, click the bell for notification. If you guys like to watch more, or like if you guys have any suggestions or want to say hi or whatever, just comment down below, and please watch other videos, and I will link, I probably would add this into my playlist, which is at the anime playlist, whereby I also upload another unboxing of anime boxes. So yeah, go check them out, go check the videos out. So yeah, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.